Okay, Chloe, so depending on how fast or slow you are, of course, it's at your own pace, not to worry. Okay, we will go through 5 different kinds of model drawing questions. Okay, so it's 5 different kinds. So question 1 to question 5 will be the same type of questions. Question 6 to yes?
I can draw.
Oh, really? Oh, awesome. Okay, we will try that later. Okay, so I clear your screen first. So like I mentioned, can you stop drawing, Chloe, until I tell you to draw? Okay, so questions 1 to 5 will be the same type. Question 6 and so forth will be a different type. Okay, so for now, we will look at the first kind of question. Oh no, before we look at the first kind of question, I want to test your addition. Okay, so let's do the first question together because you told me you can do addition, you know how to do, right? But never mind, let's do the first one. Oh, there's another student joining, just nice. Okay, let me let him in first. Chloe, give me a minute. Hi, is that Lukesh? Is that Lukesh? Can you hear me? Can you speak into the mic so that I can hear whether you can hear me? So that I can test whether you can speak into the mic. Hello? Okay, never mind. While he's getting ready, Chloe, let's do the first question together first, okay? Okay, Chloe, for this addition sum, do we start from the right or do we start from the right or do we start from the left? Huh?
This one.
Which one? Right or left?
This one.
Okay, so 2 plus 1, what do you get? Chloe, don't write until I ask you to write. Can? So only when I tell you to write, then you write. Is that okay, Chloe? Okay, so 2 plus 1, I get 3. How about in the tens position? What do I get? You can say into the mic, dear.
3.
3 plus 1.
4.
And finally, in the thousands position, what do I get?
7.
Very good. So easy, yeah? Okay, Lukesh, can you turn on your mic?
Yeah. That is good.
Can you speak into your mic? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, what school are you from?
Bukit View Primary School.
Okay, so we have already started lessons. I'm starting with addition just to test whether you all know how to add. Okay, Lukesh, can I get you to have paper and pen? Do you have paper and pencil with you?
No.
Can you go and take it, please? Now? Right now? Okay, Chloe, give me a minute.
What? Back.
Okay, Lukesh, are you on the bed? Are you sitting on your bed?
No, I'm sitting on my couch.
Okay, I want you to be in a comfortable position, not that you can fall asleep. Okay, you're attending tuition, not watching a movie.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Sorry.
So I don't want you to be lounging too comfortably, all right? Can? Okay? Okay, so the next question that we're going to try together is another long addition. Lukesh, can you tell me, should I start from the red color portion first or the green color portion first? Which side do I start with first?
Red. Red.
Good. So can you add it up for me? What do I get 9 plus 4?
9 plus 4? 11.
Yeah, so do I write it like that? Is that correct?
No.
So what should I do, Lukesh?
put the one down and put the other one up to the other side.
Where's
to
the other
5.
side? Oh, next to the 5 at the tens column. Is that right?
Yes, at the
Very
10th
good.
column.
That's right. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. So now what do I have at the tens column, Lukesh? What do I add together?
So 1 plus 2, 5 equals 11. So you
Very
must put
good. So what
another
she's
1.
one here and one here. Am I right?
Yes.
Good. So now how about the hundreds column?
The hundredth column, there's 1, 1, and then 5. So you put the 2 ones, they equal to 2. You plus the 5, they will become 7.
Very good. Finally, the thousands column,
The 1,000 column is 8 plus 1. So it's
which
2.
is
8 plus
8 plus 1.
Sorry, no, sorry, 8 plus 1, 9.
Yes, very good. Okay, so it seems like you guys know how to do your addition. Can I assign Lukesh, I want you to do this question. Chloe, I want you to do this question.
Yeah.
Okay? Can you do it? Yes. Can you do it on your writing? Don't write it on my screen first. So I want to know what your final answer is, both of you.
Whoa, okay.
Lukesh, by any chance, are you able to draw on the screen? Do you know how to draw on the
Sure.
screen for Zoom?
Draw on the screen?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, then
I
it's
never
okay.
draw on the screen.
Okay, never mind. Then you just do the sum on your piece of paper.
That's what I am doing.
I'm only giving you 2 minutes, yeah?
Okay.
1 minute is up.
Oh my God.
Please do it carefully. I don't want to see any careless mistakes.
So easy. Yeah. There'll be another more. There's one.
Okay, Lukesh, it seems like
I'm
you're done. Can
done.
you tell me what your answer is? What did you add up first? The ones column. What do we have at the ones column? Can we pay attention?
6,
6 plus.
3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 4 plus
Very
4
good.
equals 8. 5
Very
plus
good.
4 equals 9.
Very
1
good.
plus nothing is still 1.
Good.
So
So I
it's
bring
1,989.
very good, Lukesh. Thank you. Chloe, your turn. Chloe, why don't you draw on the screen and show us how you do your addition? So show me the carry forward and everything, okay? So Lukesh, Chloe can draw on her screen, so she's gonna do it on the screen for us. Lukesh, I want you to check and tell me whether she got it correct. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Chloe, let's go.
So this sounds. Okay, like that. Thank you. Check. I can see that. Yes. I can't see properly.
Is this better? Is this better?
Yeah, 9 plus 7 is. Is 7
Wait. Lukesh, keep quiet first. Later, okay? I'll ask you later. Chloe, what's your final answer?
5,007.
5,719, is it? Okay, Lukesh, is that correct? Chloe, I want you to pay attention, yeah? Lukesh, correct or wrong?
I will do this on my notebook to check whether it's correct or not.
Okay,
Hold on.
hurry up, please.
Okay, I'll hurry up if I can. Wait, this one. 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay, Lukesh, time is up. Correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay, Chloe,
It's wrong.
unfortunately, Chloe, your answer is wrong. All right, so Chloe, I want you to work together with me. Okay, we are going to solve the question together. Chloe, is that okay? Okay, Chloe, what do we add up first? Can you tell me? The ones column, tens column, hundreds column, or thousands column?
One column.
Okay, so what's in the ones column? Chloe, what's in the ones column?
16.
9 plus 7 is what? Again, you said some just now?
7.
9 plus 7, what is the answer?
16.
So how come you wrote 19? What's going on? Is it 16 or 19? Have you made up your mind? Huh?
16.
Yes. Okay, I don't know why you got 19. I believe it's a careless mistake. Can we move on? Then, what do we have in the tens column?
16.
So should I write it like that? How should I write it?
Move it there.
Move what? Where? You need to be more specific.
Beside the 5.
Move what beside the what? 5. Which number?
Move the 1 beside the 5.
Okay, good. So the 16, I'm going to carry the 1 to the hundreds place. So can you add up the hundreds place for me?
8.
Good. And finally, the thousands place?
5.
Lukesh, is this your answer?
Yes.
6, 6, 8, 5.
6,
Yes.
6?
Yes.
Did you get 6 or 5?
Wait, what?
No problem. I was reading.
5,866.
Okay, good. I want both of you to try this question now and write your answer in the chat. Okay, you have 2 minutes. Now it's 5:51. Okay, I'll give you until 5:53. Okay, Lukesh, I don't really like your position. Do you have a table and a chair? I don't want you to be writing your notebook on the couch like you're watching TV. I'm not very comfortable with that, sorry. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so both of you, can you work this out for me?
This?
Write your answer in the chat.
Which one? Which one?
6,432 plus 399. This question.
150.
Can you write your answer in the chat so we don't need to scream out the answer? Lukesh, I really like your new seating position. That's very nice. Thank you for moving.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, you have 1 more minute.
What do we do?
Add this up, my dear, on a piece of paper. I repeated myself a few times already, Chloe. Can you add 6,432 plus 399? And then type your answer out in the chat group.
I am done.
Okay, type your answer out in the chat group. Let me have a look.
Sure.
Check group. What is the